We begin with the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals ruling today, throwing out a challenge to a Hawaii gun law that prevents people from carrying a weapon outside their home without a permit.
The court says that law does not go against the Second Amendment. Fox 10's Irene Snyder joins us live with more on how this ruling will affect other states in the circuit, including here in Arizona. Irene.
Well, John and Christina, good evening. The former U.S. attorney, I spoke with him earlier this evening. He tells me he does not believe this ruling is going to have any kind of impact here in Arizona because while the ruling does in itself expand the state's right in the Ninth Circuit to further restrict gun laws, the ruling in itself does not issue any kind of mandate. The Ninth Circuit Court ruled this week that the Second Amendment does not give citizens the right to carry guns in public. In this ruling, the court rejected a challenge to Hawaii's requirement that residents pass an application to carry a concealed weapon outside the home.
The law gives the discretion, the subjective discretion, to the chief of police in any town. And the chief of police will only give out a gun if you can say that for some reason your life is in danger.
The Hawaii law requires those permitted to carry a firearm to have good character and to, quote, be engaged in the protection of life or property. But this news will not have any impact here in Arizona, according to former U.S. Attorney Mike Bailey, because the Ninth Circuit is not mandating anything. It's just giving its states the option of restricting guns in public.
Arizona has a long history of support for liberty and Second Amendment rights. And in fact, our own state constitution has very broad rights to bear arms in self-defense. And so there's not any realistic possibility that I can see, at least, that we would ever be confronted with laws so restrictive that this Ninth Circuit opinion would affect us.
The court stated that the Hawaii law does not go against the Second Amendment because it does not prevent anyone from protecting his or her life or business, with most of the court agreeing that, quote, we can find no general right to carry arms into the public square for self-defense. Because in their words, the Second Amendment protects the right to carry arms in defense of hearth and home. And Bailey says out of all the western states in the Ninth Circuit, the only one that he could possibly see moving forward with kind of this restrictive gun laws like Hawaii would be California. Reporting live in Phoenix, I'm Irene Snyder for Fox 10 News.